Okay, so it's another day of this 30 days or June, let's just say June eyeshadow looks, because I'm gonna see how many I can actually do though, because here's what the challenges become is that I've kind of gotten, I'm not that creative, you know, like some people are super duper creative, and I'm trying to push my creativity, not only in just using my palettes but just being more creative with them. And I think that's what's driving me insane, because I'm trying to be, if y'all can hear this air conditioner, because it's right here, because it's 117,000 degrees here in Chicago finally, I apologize. I will put on some music, so you're gonna probably hear music behind me so I can drown out this, so you'll just hear me. I hope that works, because I'm not turning off this air conditioner, because I will start to melt, because I melt every day in my room. But anyway, so I think that's the problem. I'm trying to be too creative. I'm trying to think it too much, and when actually it's just about the colors sometimes, and you know, seeing how to use them. So let me know, you know, whatever. So I'm using natural light because it's beautiful. It's Sunday, I'm home alone, and I like to videotape especially these things by myself, because you know how it is. Y'all know how it is. So anyway, I'm gonna do this. So what I'm gonna use today, so you know, let me know what your thoughts are, because y'all know I like your thoughts. I'm gonna be using my Dose of Colors, but I'm gonna use Blushing Berries and Sassy Sienna together. I have this idea. We're gonna see if the idea works, because honestly I like to do it like this as opposed to like really practicing it. A, because I'm trying to do so many, and B, because I can see what it looks like and say, okay, no, but we're gonna do this. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. All right, so let's get started on the look for today. Okay, so I brought it up so you all can see my eyes. I've already primed, and you all don't need to watch me prime my eyes all the time, because you know, it's like we do the same thing. And so let me see. So what I want to do is kind of a buried out sienna corally colored half cut crease. That's the goal. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens though. Okay. All right. I'm gonna use this one because I'm really kind of loving this BH Cosmetics. These brushes, they are so gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Blushing Berries. And I'm gonna use this color, the very lightest color. Now, if you don't know about these are the Dose of Colors, and these are the matte. These are their matte palettes, and they have 5 colors, and then they're like $32, and I recommend them to everybody. Now, here's the deal: they do some at Ulta. If you can get a 20% coupon, go for that. But I do love them, love them, love them. So I'm just gonna use this right here. I'm gonna use this as my transition, take it high up on my brow bone, because I want that to be the color that's on the top. They're very blendable. They are so beautiful. My little circular motions are terrible, by the way. When I'm trying to do the whole little circular motion, maybe I should do it that way. Ooh, that worked a little better. So anyway, yes, this is my transition color. Now remember what I've always said, that I do like this a little bit because I have a slight fold. So it's always important that I do that. So I take care of that area too. Just so I get enough for my transition right there. Or whatever I'm putting in the corner, I always pull up a little bit. All right, so that's that. Then next up is going to be this color right here in the Sassy Sienna. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna put that in high in my crease. It's gonna be a high crease color. I need to really wash my brushes. It's about that time. Well, it's been that time. So I'm gonna take that right here. So yeah, I'm putting it deep into my, you know, right at that brow bone. You know, right in the socket area. That's where I want it at. Now I haven't added any color, I'm just trying to blend it out. And then I'm gonna go back in with my Blushing Berries, just because I wanted to have a nice little, on that top, I want a little more of that color there. So yeah, I'm gonna take this into the socket right there. Cause I have like a deep, almost deep socket area, but not really. So, and I wanted to try this out just to see how it would work. It would work for me, yes. So now, this is the color I think I want to use to cut the crease. You see, I'm doing this really fast. And I tried, you know, I try to do it in a way that makes sense for regular people who are doing it. Because, you know, I could sit here and spend the next hour really working on my eyes and editing it and making it seem like it took like 10 minutes when it actually took me an hour. Okay, so this is going to be the color that I'm using in the crease itself. Ooh, child. So I'm going to stamp that out. And I really want to make sure that I get it in good. Now the beautiful thing about doing this is that whatever's low on my lid, and I'm going to be cleaning that up in a minute anyway. So I'm making this like this cut crease, but I don't want it to be like the super duper like deep colored cut crease, you know, because like normally I would do I'm just gonna go over just a little bit over the top of that with my sienna, with my color and with my sienna, because I want that right there, right there, right there. And I would normally make this super duper dark, you know, like go with a super duper dark color for the cut crease. But I want it to be like a more, I want it to be a cut crease, but I want it to be a very rosy, you know, berry colored cut crease. And I know I should like deepen up the edge, you know, deepen up the corner. Just give it a little zhuzh on the corner. But I don't know if I am. I don't know if I am. I'm looking a little crazy right now. Okay. I gotta deep condition my hair today. So my hair is in this bun, and it probably will be in the bun when I finish this. I'll probably make the bun a little nicer looking and just go with a bun, a messy bun, because I'm LuuLuu and I'm a messy bun chick. Okay, so I want it just a little bit deeper color, but I don't want to go with the black because I have the black here. I think I'm gonna go with this color, which will be a deeper, is like, you know, that kind of mauve color. So I'm gonna stamp a little right there and then go up into it just to give it, oh, that's it. So it's more, see what I'm saying? It's more, it's a more intense berry as opposed to me darkening it up with the, let me spin this out a little bit because I want this out just a little more. I'm going to spin this out a little more, stamp this right here, stamp it, and then I'm going to take this into the crease. Make sure that crease is deepened up enough. And now I want to put a little more coral because I just want to give it that contrast right up in here. Yep, that's what I want, that little contrast right up in there with the coral color. Because I don't want it just to be berries on berries on berries. I want it to be like this. There we go. There we go. And now I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to buff this in so there's no lines. So this all works together. And then what I actually am going to do, I'm going to take this lighter coral color and I'm going to layer that on top of the other coral so this really pops out. Ooh! So I get a real pop of coral right there. Give it a little pop. And then to really round it out, I'm gonna put that berry on top again, the very top, right along there, just a little. All right, so now we have a crease. This one is a little patchy. I don't think I blended it in as well as I should have. Okay, there we go. Much better. Much better. Much better. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I am going to cut this crease, and I'm gonna get off of here and do that because that's some real serious work, y'all. That's some real serious work. Well, I guess I do this too. I'm probably gonna do a voiceover. I don't know for part of this. I think I'm gonna hit a voiceover at some point. I think that'll make it work better. What do y'all think? But anyway, I'm gonna cut the crease. I'll be back. All right, so I have it all on. The crease is cut. I think they're a little bit off, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna see in a second. But anyway, I'm gonna be using this Enchantress. This is a Stila Glitter and Glow. One of my followers on Instagram. I think she comes on here too. But she sent me a couple of these. It was so sweet. I love it when people send me things. Honestly, I do appreciate it because I know you're taking some money of your own and spending it on me, a virtual stranger, and I just really do appreciate it. So I'm gonna be using Enchantress to fill this in. I love the glitter and glows, and I know they're expensive, and I know there are dupes, but I still love them, and I still want some more. And they keep coming. Look, Stila was the ones who started this trend with the liquid glitters, and they do it well. No lie, they do it well. A little more opaque. I'm just going to add a little more in. I think I'm going to let this dry. Dry. Okay, so now I'm going to finish my eyes up. I got my makeup on. I forgot to do my eyebrows. Don't let me come back here with no eyebrows on. Somebody sent me a message like, Lou, what the hell was you thinking? Okay, so I'm going to do my, smoke this out, darlings. And I'm actually going to use the brushes that come with these Dose of Colors ones because they got these little pencil brushes. So they are a little powdery, but they're beautiful. So I'm going to use this one. This is like a super precise pencil brush, y'all. And Oh, this is. I have to be more delicate with around my eye area because I can tend to be a little. I didn't do a wing because I just wasn't in the mood to do a wing. I decided that I wanted to be all about this. And I know usually when you do cut creases, you do wings because it's so freaking dramatic. But I decided I didn't want to be that dramatic. So let me do this one. I'm telling you all, if you all do not get these or find something comparable, because I know they're a little pricey. They are $32, and that's not in everybody's, you know, beauty budget. But I promise you, every time they come out, I will get them. That's how much I love them. And so I'm using the darker, the dark berry in this one, just to hit the last piece of it, to do the outer third. And then I'm going to smudge it out just a little bit. And I do a really small smudge because I feel like I don't want to be raccoon eyes. Even though it looks really cute on everybody else, I just be like, no, not on this face. Y'all see this highlighter on my lips? Child, that is coming from the, let me do that a little bit deeper. Child, that is from my lip fan brush. The lip fan brush is my new friend. I love her. What did I get on here? Ooh, I almost messed up this. Okay. Okay, I almost lost it. I thought I messed up the packaging. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to take the lightest color in here. No, I'm going to take the lightest color in the Sassy Siennas. I'm going to take this color and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. So I'm going to do I'm going to do a kind of a matte inner corner. Ooh, Lou, you trying to be different. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. See, I'm going to do that because I've got all this sparkle on with the glitter. So I'm just going to bring this around there. Make it just a little bit so it just meets up. Put a little bit of a zhuzh right in there. And that's gonna be it. So next up, I'm gonna do my brows, my lashes, and my lipstick. And I will come back. Where's my fan? Where's my fan? Here she is. I'll come back with the finished look. You see how I'm fanning everybody? See how I'm fanning? See how I'm fanning? I'm so silly. All right, so here is the finished look. I'm sorry, my allergies are bothering me. I actually like it. I think it came out pretty good. I like the kind of peachy, corally, berry look of the cut crease. It's kind of more of a like summer day cut crease to me, without the wing. Well, and plus my head looks decapitated right now, so please forgive me. Now, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. As always, leave me any comments in the box. And it's your LuuLuu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. Have a great day.